Okay, how are you everyone? So our second question, or the other question, is Illustrator New Dialogue is blank. So the question is a little bit bigger than that. What is trying to mean? Let me open my CC 2020 Illustrator. So these versions of CCs, or these versions of Illustrator, have come up with a problem, and that error whenever you open new. This is normal now, and this is very okay. So it is like this: edit, let me come to preferences, and then let me come to general. So there is this function here, use legacy file new interface. So let me click this out and I say okay. Let me say file new. So this is what usually happens. It's a window that's supposed to have some content in it or some settings, but it is blank. So what happens? That's where the problem comes from. Let's go back and change that or clear that error. Let's go to preferences, edit preferences, and then general. So tick mark the use legacy file new interface and click OK. The next time you click file new, you'll be in position to access all these settings. You'll be in position to put in your units. You'll be in position to type in the width and all your other dimensions. So that's how that problem can be solved. Thank you so much.